Well, I just thought I'd turn on here so you can take a look at this circus. Yeah. Like I said, summer is here. It's like a goddamn demolition derby is what it is. Those guys, man, they don't exist in the UK, but they're cars where you don't require a license to drive them, and they're even smaller than a Smart. But these guys that drive these things, they persist in driving in the middle of the road because they want to stop everybody else from going any faster than they can. Sad people. Filtrage, filtrage, avance en filtrant. Filtrage, filtrage, ceci est ma chanson. Will he move an inch for me? Going to BMW behind? No. Cabron. There it comes, steaming up behind me now. So, here we go. Watch this. I don't know if she'd see me or not. Make much difference, really, did it? Oh dear. That's it. Check your hair, love. Sometimes you wish they'd replace the speed cameras faster. There it is, look. You gotta have your wits about you if you wanna stay alive. Easy, Tiger. You heard a jizz machine? That's a biz machine. Yeah, right. How did I know? There's one for you, Royal Jordanian. Psychic biker. You know they're going to do it. You can tell they're going to do it. You suspect they're going to do it. And they do it! Get past that local because he doesn't clock nothing. What are you doing? This guy in this blue van is really beginning to get on my wick. Behind me. Here he comes. You are a aren't you? He's not supposed to do that because it's a solid line. When you get onto the roundabout, you have to filter gradually in on the bridge. You're not allowed to, well, you're not supposed to get straight in off that roundabout into the right-hand lane, which of course he did to undertake me because he's out to prove a point. Go on, bugger off. Oh no! I'm going home. It's out of order.
Non mais c'est inadmissible ça. Ça va?
Ça va et toi?
C'est quand vous arrivez au bout.
Bah oui, mais après on a l'air d'un Teletubby. Au revoir. drifting, are we? Bloody is as well. Look at this. I can see in the mirror, looking down. Pose ton putain de téléphone!